Cody Mills. We were in a car accident. We were rear-ended at a stoplight last year at the end of May. He sustained injuries. We were going back and forth with insurance before we hired a lawyer. They weren't very cooperative with us at all. And it was just kind of disrespectful how much they were just brushing us off. So I went on Google and I found your guys' firm by luck. And it's been great. I don't remember who I spoke to, but he's very cooperative and awesome to talk to. He took all our information down and a lawyer reached out to us very quickly. And she was willing to take our case, and just having that was awesome because we waited a little bit to get a lawyer. She was very compassionate about our accident.
What we were going through. Yeah.
Understood what we were going through. She seemed like she was eager to help with the insurance, which was a huge weight off of our shoulders, raising a baby and trying to go back and forth with these guys and going to work. They would always just call me at the most inopportune time. Vanessa took it on and it was just a huge relief. I had no prior knowledge to anything. It was my first accident like this, so I had no knowledge really. Vanessa explained everything and it was very easy to understand. She was very communicative with us throughout the whole process, which made it so much easier. Very much so. And it made it so much easier with the app, just messaging back and forth without having to take time out of either of our day, her or ours, to take time for a phone call. But yeah. I mean, I never really had to reach out to her. It was always her reaching out to us to schedule anything or just keep us posted on anything. But yeah, if we ever message on there, we have a very quick response back within no time.
Yeah. I think just her like being compassionate about like raising a family and like kind of knowing how hard it is. Like we had to get a new car, new expenses with our case. So it was kind of rough on us to go through like all that stress and stuff. And she was really understanding what we were going through and helped us out a lot. I would say the communication, understanding.
That was huge.
Yeah, I would just say
just the fact that I knew I didn't have to worry about anything.
Yeah, very stress-free.
Because she handled everything. It just took that weight off of us. Like most of the time I wouldn't even be thinking about something and she would just randomly message us with updates, and it was just so helpful, not going back and forth with insurance ourselves. We didn't have to worry about anything, and it was just very helpful. Anytime you're in an accident, hire a lawyer. With you guys in particular, I mean, I haven't had very many interactions with lawyers before, but from reviews, because I was just reading reviews on Google from a bunch of different law firms, and in the reviews, people would say they're not communicating back and forth. They were always waiting to hear back from their lawyer. So that goes a long way for me anyways. Just being straightforward and being very to the point. And that's what your guys' law firm has been with us. Great.
Yeah, it's been a year, and mainly because we waited so long to hire you guys. So we're just grateful for it to be resolved and grateful that what came out of it. We do have a thanks to you guys and Vanessa.